Hello everyone, Daniel Curry here. So yeah, welcome to another episode of Akai Force complaints and problems. No. What I've done is I was going to do the Akai Force Ableton Live video, and I did do half of it, and then I ran into problems. What I had decided to do to make a nice long Ableton Live set in the Akai Force, or rather an Akai Force set made out of Ableton Live constructs, right, like modular movements, is well, it just turned out to not work at all. The Akai Force has a bug that when you load up saved tracks, that it loads the clips, but they're not populated with the original samples. Okay, apparently it was working fine up until the 3.1 update. So nonetheless, I did figure out how to make that work, and I am going to show you how to do this. And I was turned on to the solution by Amit Talwar, by the way. So yeah, thank you very much. Anyway, what I have now is I have an hour plus long set in the Akai Force, getting ready for my shows, and this set is huge. And I'm going to go over the explanation for it right now so you can see it. And then I'm going to demonstrate it later, right? You can get Akai Force resources and packs for free and paid at ghostwrittenclips.com. That's my website. You can also get most resources for resources for any sampler and Ableton Live stuff in there. Lots of hardware stuff in there, ESX and ES2, Korgs, and other fine instruments. So yeah, let's take a look at this project. Okay, so I've got all my clips in here, and I've got it all set into these categories. The first two are bass, second one bass 1 and 2, synth 1 and 2, drums 1 and 2, remix clips, right? I use a lot of remix clips and stems when I'm playing live to give an air of familiarity on top of my own work. And then Vox 1 is basically, they're kind of transitions. I'll probably put some effects in there as well. Also, I'm going to add one more channel. I'm going to add a drum track that's filled with 128 breakbeats. I'm going to make sure that this row is not set to be affected by the scene launch, okay? And that's going to allow me to basically throw breaks on and off from that pool of 128 as I'm playing, right? Next thing here, let's look at the navigate. You can see all these clips, right? And there's a lot more, but it is what it is. Also, I'm going to set up the macro knobs to do effects on each one of those categories as well. Okay, and actually, let me take this out. I should have turned off my overhead lights. Anyway. You can see if I go to clip view, I can select like you can see, I can see where the remix clips are and where they're going to be going, you know, from. If I start this, okay, I think you guys can hear that. I got it set up to my mixer. Okay. Here we have drums, right? That was just a hit. I need to add reverb to some of these kicks and things, right? These are my synth lines over here. Got some bass here. Oh, that's that drum track. See? Move from one to the other, and I know when the next transition part is. These were all created and remixed in Ableton Live, and then the clips dropped in here, obviously. Now, as this is moving, right, I can start this one. That's the next movement coming in. Line here. Sorry. See what's coming on. I know it's coming. Yeah, so there you have it. That's actually how I have things laid out. I have not played through the set yet, and I'm going to basically clear some space off my computer so I can edit an hour-long video of me playing this set with just the Force, right? There's bound to be some leveling problems and some conundrums there that I haven't foreseen, but I've tried to get all the levels right before I imported all the clips, right? So there's that. There's going to be some hiccups, and to be honest, I'm not sure if the Force is going to crash while I'm playing, but if it does, you'll see it, because I am uploading this, all right? And you guys can watch it. I'm also going to finish the adapting Ableton Live projects into the Akai Force video. I have two methods. I'm going to demonstrate them with a completely different set that I'm working on. And I will also, in the video, list all of the tracks that were remixed, all of the remix stems that I used as well, to fashion into my own from my own music and pulling together all the resources. Anyway, sorry you guys have to hear me complain online all the time. I don't like to complain. My Force is infuriating, and I'm also really enjoying using it. So that's that. Be blessed.